Today's learning objective is to be able to rearrange formulas to solve for a particular term. What we will know by the end of this is what a term is, what a formula is, inverse operations, and how to rearrange formulas for a term. So first, what is a term? Terms are numbers, variables, or both multiplied together and are separated by a plus or minus sign. For example, in 4 plus 2a minus b, there are three terms, those terms being 4, 2a, and negative b. What is a formula? A formula is something that shows the relationship between variables and terms. For example, the formula for the volume of a rectangular prism is L times W times H. These variables can be substituted later for numbers. What are inverse operations? Inverse operations are basically the opposite of one operation that work either way. The opposite of adding is subtracting, the opposite of multiplying is dividing, and the opposite of squaring is square rooting. All these will be important for rearranging formulas. Examples. Let's say we have the equation d divided by r minus 3 equals t. T is currently the subject and we want to make d the subject. To get rid of r, we must do the opposite of what it is. From what we know, the opposite of dividing is multiplying, so that means we must multiply both sides by r. Because r divided by r cancels out, we are left with d minus 3 equals to tr. The opposite of subtracting is adding, so we add 3 to both sides, and we end up with d equals tr plus 3. We have successfully made d the subject. Let's do another equation where b equals 4c squared and to make c the subject. First we divide both sides by 4 to make b divided by 4 equals c squared. Now to get a single c, we must do the opposite of squaring, which is square rooting. We square root both sides so that c squared becomes c, so that leaves us with square root of b divided by 4 equals to c. Now after working on some examples, you should be able to do these questions by yourself. You can find some practice questions by searching up this link. This gives some working examples and 44 entire questions to work off, and gives you answers to all of them, so I highly suggest checking it out.